Today I want to show you the EMF exposure from a coffee machine. Now it's turned off, unplugged. And as you can see, it's in the green. Now I plug it in and the reading goes up to 74, 60, fluctuates. Just the clock is running, nothing else. I haven't even turned it on. But something is turned on here where the water heater is. It's in the red. Can you see this? 200, 190 fluctuates. So I put a little bit of water in my machine and we turn it on and we will see what happens. Now it's in the yellow and red. Starts boiling the water. 120, 140, 180, 200. Did you see this? 200, 300. Right here. So if you stand close to it, you are exposed. So let's go backwards a little bit. See how it drops off? It's not even 1 foot. Now I'm in the safe zone and I'm about 2 feet away. So if you know somebody who's pregnant and stands close to the coffee machine and her belly is sticking out with a baby in it, tell her about my video. And now I turn it off. That doesn't change much. Here it changed quite a bit from red to yellow. But here's the thing. Unplug it and see what happens. In the green. In the green. So the solution for the problem: unplug your coffee machine if you don't want to be exposed by unnecessary EMFs. You don't need your coffee machine all day long. You probably only need it once or twice a day. Okay. If you want to get one of those meters, just click on the link below and go to the EMF store, superstore. I will put the link below. And then you can go around your kitchen and measure all your devices and see where you are in a safe zone. If you found this video helpful, like it, comment below please. Thank you.